Salisbury! Dahil merong electric fan. Yeah! Because there was a time, the middle of this year, I was... Hi! We are walking around Salcedo Market, and in my Philippine itinerary, this is kind of like one of the first things that I wanted to do, and it's perfect kasi I landed yesterday, it was Friday, and today is Saturday, and this is when the Salcedo Market is open. So this is low-key my first stop in my itinerary. Although, yesterday, I wanted to update you. Ang first stop ko pala kahapon is my lip fillers. Because I had my lips done at Isera Aesthetics. And right now, kind of still looks swollen, but I love it. Like pagkaland ko ng eroplano, a few hours later, nagpa-lip fillers na ako agad. Salisbury? Hi. Oh, I will get 2-piece Salisbury, 2 bowls of it.
2 orders of 2 pieces.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Kuya?
Yes.
And insert.
Hi.
It's savings.
No?
Okay. Woo! I'm so happy we found a spot na merong electric fan. And I got us some Salisbury steak. It said, fresh, healthy, and happy eating. Just the way I like it. Like it? We wanted protein, so this is perfect. Yum. Do you want to be in my video or no? Okay. Hi. Guys, I found what I was looking for. I've been looking for the Bread and Brew kombucha. They said this is the only kombucha kombucha stall here in Salcedo Market, so I'm glad that I found it. Let me get, oops, I'm sorry. It's your best seller po.
This one was the ginger lemon.
Ginger lemon. And then
And this one.
lavender. Ubus na? This and then this. Opo, tas ito. Can I just take this? Thank you.
Hirap nyo na lang po pagdating.
Yes. Okay lang naman siya, no, na nandito siya, na nakalabas siya dito. Hindi naman siya nasira or anything. Kasi naka-ano naman siya, no, naka-seal. Yay! I found my kombucha! Thank you, ate. Balikan ko po siya before 2 p.m.
I'm gonna fucking chug this shit.
Guys, ang dami ko ng segue. I've been meeting a lot of you guys here, and all you guys look so cute. Pero pawis na ako. What?
I can see the sweat.
Right? See? Grabe yung pawis ko, guys. Anyway, na-segue na tayo, na-sidetrack na tayo. But I wanted to tell you guys, this is good. I like it. I would say this is just on the sweeter side compared to the kombuchas that I drink in the US. Kasi sa US, sobrang ano di ba? Sobrang asim. Sobrang asim ng kombucha sa US. Pero ito, ang tamis niya. Considering that this is ginger and lemon. Yeah. Pretty sweet. The ingredients are pretty clean. The ingredients are okay. All in all, I like it. I think it's pretty good. That one time that I really needed my fan, my Jisoo Life fan, is when I left it. Oh no! Guys, look at my beautiful driver!
Diba?
Yeah!
Wait, so paano yun? Paano ka nag-ano? Yung mga... Wait lang.
Ano? Gusto ko yung totoong kandila talaga to, ha?
Oo, sis.
Real.
Real na real.
Organic.
Ashley.
Ashley. Hey.
Do you have a theme for tonight? Or kung ano lang?
I don't know. What should we do? Let's make this it's either we make this meaningful or we just don't give a fuck and just do whatever.
Yeah.
You know, the first thing that came in my mind is senior high school because that's when I first met you.
Yeah. Alam mo, may idea ako, pero hindi ako marunong mag-paint.
Girl, ako din!
Ikaw ba? May artsy ka kaya? Like, you know how to draw?
Hoy! Ako? Oo! Stop!
Pero ang alam ko na talaga, yung handwriting mo talaga yung parang medyo hindi ko maintindihan.
Oh my God, you remember it?
course.
Alam mo, pati yung boyfriend ko, yun yung sabi niya, ano ba handwriting to? Ba't kita mas maganda pa siya magsulat, lalaki siya, pero mas maganda pa siya
Yeah.
magsulat sa akin.
Yeah.
Basta there's something about my handwriting, it's very medical.
Oo, very pang doktor.
Right? I know.
So, ano gagawin natin?
Parang something about senior high school
May idea na?
I think so. It's a little more complicated, but I'm gonna make it in an hour, so don't judge.
Okay, I'm gonna judge.
Thank you. Oh, okay pala. Malamig pala to eh. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Ashley got me kombucha!
Yes.
Wait, parang ito yung brand na hinahanap ko.
Ah, where?
Bahay. Something with the bahay.
Yeah, kasi yung marketplace, puro mga foreigner bumibili dun eh.
Stop. It's organic.
Perfect!
Oh, I love it. Thank you,
I
Ash.
nailed it with this one.
Yeah. Wait, are you not gonna have this?
I'm gonna have this na.
Okay.
Kaya isa lang yung binili ko kasi,
But have you tried kombucha before?
Not yet.
You should.
Kahit
It's
ano lang, ati lang.
sure. You should. It's good for you. Cheers. Yeah.
Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
Oh, parang happy na na ano.
It is. We had a whole playlist of your YouTube background music with all jazz and just the classic sounding songs.
Yeah, I'm an old soul. Alam mo yung, di ba yung Spotify
Alam mo,
rap?
ako din.
Oh, where?
Pero it's something that I have started to really embody when I, in my 20s now, like
Yeah.
the past year.
Mm-hmm.
Pero ikaw talaga, through and through, ever since old soul talaga music mo.
Yes. Kasi I feel like I was influenced by my family.
Your parents, no?
Oo. Yung talaga yung mga una kong pinakinggan before like pop.
Yeah. Alam mo kasi pinapakinggan ng nanay ko,
Ano?
Pussycat Dolls.
Already na.
Stick with you. Or, yeah. Oo, ganun ang nanay ko. Sorry, hindi siya old soul. Ano siya? Body siya.
Body
Body.
siya.
Oo,
Yeah.
body.
You love a baddie. Pero ngayon, ano yung mga pinapakinggan mo na nga? Like jazz, like talagang pure jazz? Or like yung mga...
Frank Sinatra.
Oh my God, I love Frank Sinatra. Anong favorite na kanta mo?
Ano yan? That's life.
That's life. Wow.
No, because there was a time, the middle of this year, I was really struggling in life. Tapos, alam mo yung kanta ni Frank Sinatra, that's life! That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shut down in May. And I was literally shut down in May. It's so funny. Tapos, alam mo yung Spotify rap ko, yun yung top one.
Oh my God, so cute. From Ice Spice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you the shit. Kaya even the fart. Tapos biglang Frank Sinatra. Tapos ano din, yung New York na kanta. I like that.
Ano yun? New York.
Yeah. And you're doing a good job. I really love your travels. That's why I said na hopefully someday, sometime, we get to travel together and experience how it's like to see places through your eyes, because you have such a vision when you travel. You have such a vision.
I really say, oh my gosh, gusto ko yung parang ano sa'yo yun, like nag-translate sa'yo yun.
No, it's true. Like, you really have a vision when it comes to traveling. And it sucks because I don't like how, you're saying that not a lot of people are appreciating, ganon. when they're supposed to be. You know, when they're supposed to be appreciating you more. Because not everyone does what you do.
So, kay party tayo nagkikita here din.
Aesthetic pa more.
Setting pa mo. Now you gave these flowers.
You know what they say? If you pray for your success, pray for your friends too.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Alam mo, balik nakakatuwa kasi naalala ko, parang naging prayer buddies tayo. Na parang, pag-pray mo, pag-pray mo to. Like, it's so rare to have a friendship like that.
Right.
And,
And Ashley, natatouch ako kasi you say na parang nagulat ako when you said parang nobody's like me. Like, you have no friend like me. And I have no friend like you
oh,
too.
ito naiiyak ako.
No, seriously.
Same.
This type of friendship doesn't always like come around. And it's, I don't know why.
Yeah. I don't
Like,
know
there's
why
so
that
many
is.
people in the world na parang I've been with so many people, but like, it's still different. It's really
Same.
still different.
Hindi nga rin, like, parang
Like,
I
what
met
did we
so
do?
many-
What did we do? We
No,
just met in senior high school and
No,
that's
girl,
it.
I feel like, na mo lang, siguro you were caught up with your other friends before, pero,
Right?
yeah.
With the wrong crowd.
Siguro, pero kasi yung friendship natin before, for me, it was different na. Parang initially. Gets.
Oo.
Parang, kasi parang ako feeling mo parang, maybe I was just one of your friends before. But feeling ko iba naman yung akin dahil may shan na ako nun. So parang gets mo, yung mundo ko medyo parang shan lang. Tas
Oo.
kung sino man yung classmate ko or
Oo.
gano'n.
Oo.
Parang ikaw na yung
Ayun nga din
pinaka-close ko nun.
I felt like that too kasi, okay, basta mamaya na lang. Mag-explain ako ng meaning ko dito eh. Sige na, i-save mo na lang yan.
Sometimes I feel like baka too much ako pag kinaya ko.
Kuya,
Gano'n.
no, too much!
Hindi like dun sa iba, pero alam
Okay.
kong ikaw. Alam mo, balik
You're not too much to me.
Nag-ano kay siya na parang sana si Ella dito. Parang gagano na lang ako.
Ashley, sorry, I had to leave.
It's fine, sis. I understand. And I'm so proud of you, like, sa growth mo. Like, I feel like you're really meant to be there in a way na...
Girl, alam mo, feeling ko nga, it's like kakaiba akong tao, but at the same time, I feel like I'm still me. I don't know, you be the judge because you haven't seen me in so long. But like, there's so many things that have changed sa sarili ko. Like, I'm not, di ko binubuhat yung sarili kong bangko na, oh my gosh, I have so much character development.
hindi naman.
Hindi naman sa ganon. Pero I just hit different now.
Yeah.
Like, for real, I hit different now. And I think you too. But all the while, Ashley, you've always been a good person. So like, ano pa yung character development mo kasi? ako yung kaya kailangan ko yung character development kasi at some point in my life talagang I was not a good person. So,
No naman. Gabi mo sa not a good... I think you were just like exploring.
exploring and I did all the wild things.
Pero that doesn't make you a bad person kasi wala ka namang inapakan.
Okay, you got a point.
Diba? Like, parang... Like, naano ko dun sa sinabi mo na yung... Hindi ko alam kung basta Gossip Girl coded siya. Hindi ko alam kung parang... When I was in my Serena van der Woodsen era, yung parang di niyo ako, minahal, parang ganyan-ganyan.
Nung mabody era ko, kinancel-cancel nyo ko. Tapos ngayon na...
Basta parang you were a baddie lang before.
I was just a baddie, doing baddie things.
Yeah.
And then people canceled me for being a baddie. Tapos they're looking for the baddie. And when they
Yun.
killed the baddie, ano ba yan?
Diba?
Anyway, it's just funny. I mean, I'm still a baddie, just a different font.
No, in a different font, and like a clean girl lifestyle way.
Yeah!
Na parang ikaw pa rin, girl, na ano mo yung... Very, ano ka pa rin, naglilista ka pa rin, alam mo yun, very diligent sa studies.
Girl, hindi mo talaga matatanggal yun sa akin. Kung ganun talaga ako as a person. I mean, ganun talaga ako sa person. I feel like I'm always gonna be like that talaga. Hindi ko yun maaalis sa sarili ko. Pero yung mga ibang bagay lang na kailangan mo improve, pagbutihin, like mas mabuti kang tao. Ayun.
Yeah.
Wait lang, I need a napkin. Can I use that? Okay, wait, who should go first?
Pick na lang, pick.
Isa lang, isa.
Wait, di
Okay.
mo panalo or...
Ano ba tawag? Ikaw na go.
Pag talo, siya yung first.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Tala ka.
Talo.
Okay, go.
Okay, so this is my painting. Wait lang, pakita ko muna sa'yo. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait. This is kind of familiar. Okay, explain.
Okay, so yung theme kasi is senior high school. Familiar to? Like, hindi mo maalala to?
Girl, this is familiar.
Familiar siya. Actually, medyo may inalter ako sa kanya. Nilagyan ko ng plants, pero walang plants talaga doon.
That's what I'm thinking, but like the wall, this is Pinoval wall.
No.
Okay.
And
Explain.
actually, di siya wall, may window. Kinabahan lang ako, baka pangit pag with window. Ito painting ko, ang meaning niya is yung time na Jurella and I opened up to each other for the first time.
Parang alam ko
Parang
na to.
naging deeper yung friendship natin. Kasi, dati talaga nabully si Ella. So,
I knew it!
Yeah, nabully si Ella sa classroom nun kasi sobrang talino niya, guys. Na parang, basta nagkaroon ng moment na I told Ella na I will protect her no matter what.
Girl, bakit ganun? Parang same ata tayo. Okay, go.
Totoo ba? Basta nagkaroon ng moment na sabi ko kay Ella, huwag kang mag-alala. Matatapos ng senior high school.
Oh,
na
stop!
magkasama tayo.
Because I was gonna say that too.
Yeah, yun yung parang binigay
No.
yung letter. Oo.
Ashley's exact line was, don't worry, we are gonna finish senior high school together. English mo yung sinabi, girl.
Yes. Sorry naman.
Tinagalog na niya.
Yeah.
But I remember that exact day.
Yeah, and then I put it sa letter ata na parang recollection letter ko sa'yo.
I have it. I still
Yeah.
have it sa Bulacan.
Yeah, yun.
Oh,
So, ito yung moment na yun, guys. Nasa kami, tapat kami ng junior high school. Sa
Oh,
bench.
yes! Yes, that's so true.
And ever since noon, we
Yeah.
would show up for each other. No
Yeah.
matter what.
Yes, and that's when I knew that Ashley is truly a real friend.
Oh, no.
Ashley, I need this. It's really gonna remind me. May plans doon, pero parang sa baba lang.
Hindi, ito lang.
Oh, okay.
Pero ito yung, nilagyan ko lang, sabi
For
ko.
the art.
Oh, for the art lang.
Okay, for the
Sorry,
art.
Sorry.
Okay. This is my drawing.
It's so cute!
Guys, this is my
Pinag-usapan natin
drawing.
to. Okay.
I know.
Oh,
Wala lang. This is like my favorite photo of us.
Okay.
Insert ko na lang dito yung photo reference ko.
Ano yun?
May photo reference. Ito, oh.
So, yun yung tinignan mo kanina?
Oh, this.
Oh my gosh! Sa bed building
No,
sa lab.
this is the reference photo.
Yeah.
This is like my favorite photo of us.
Okay.
Kasi you can really see the difference in the aesthetic.
Yeah.
Like, Ashley would always show up in class with her, like pastel pink jacket with her pastel bag, which in the photo is pink talaga.
Yeah,
Pink,
yeah.
pink bag, pink backpack, pink jacket, while I showed up in black backpack,
Black
and
leather
then like
backpack.
black leather backpack, and then like olive green and black bomber jacket.
Yeah.
And then wala lang. Pinili ko din yung senior high school talaga na theme kasi yun nga, that's when I met Ashley, and then like she said, pinaka-memorable talaga when she approached me. She stood up for me, or like at least she went in solidarity with me when I felt like I was alone in class and felt like everyone was bullying me. And then Ashley was like, we're gonna finish senior high school together. And then nag-iyakan pa kami, and that's when I knew that Ashley is really for keeps.
Oh,
And then fast forward to this day, how many years ago was that?
2016.
Right?
2016.
Like, enough? 9? No. Wait, stop. 9 years?
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
And that's when you knew Ashley's really a real friend, because who the fuck would keep someone for almost a decade?
No.
Queenie,
Alam, iyakan kami dito. Guys, I won't ever forget kung paano tayo naging close. Tomashan Welcome Walk.
Yes!
Tomashan Welcome Walk, and we were like, uy, do you watch YouTube videos? Di pa kami vlogger neto.
Yeah, that's so true.
Tapos parang, favorite ko si Maddie Bragg. Alam mo yun?
Tapos,
like,
yeah.
Like, nag-ano tayo na, ito yung mga favorite natin YouTubers. Tapos biglang,
Si Avery, Ovard, whatever. Hanggang sa that's just how we really connected. And then eventually, she's really the one passionate sa YouTube talaga, guys.
No.
It's just that nauna ako. Pero si Ashi talaga yung passionate na art and everything.
No.
And then, but like somehow at the same time, we started YouTube together and like, here we are.
No, I think Jorella taught me the ropes. I swear. Kasi hindi ko makakalimutan, guys. She started with like an iPhone. Tapos she would edit all her videos with that phone.
You also
Yeah, you
did.
started with that. Tapos parang na-inspire ako na hala kahit ito yung equipment niya, that didn't stop her from starting. Ako kasi matagal ko na gusto mag-start, but parang nakaka-inspire na nakakita ko ng ganun in person na parang, kaya pala, ganun. And then she taught me how to monetize.
Yes!
Dude,
Well,
kasi hindi namin alam na pwedeng kumita.
guys, sorry kasi, eto si Ashley kasi passion siya. She doesn't care about the business side of it. Sorry.
Yeah. Pero hindi mo na ina-expect.
Hindi ko na na-expect na
Oo.
talaga magbo-boom.
Oo.
Because of you guys' support, which, I am very grateful of. We were just talking about how, for so many years we came here and I'm just so happy that fast forward to this day, nag-senior high school ako, nag-American na ako, umuwi ako dito. It's still Ashley!
And it's still Ella! Oh, I love you, sis.
I love you,
I'm
sis.
so grateful for this friendship, guys. As in, swear. Bira niyo lang ako makitang ganito. Yay! I'm gonna hang this.
Okay, exchange.
Exchange?
Okay.
Yay!
Okay, iuwi ko to.
Okay ka na? Yes. Yay! Where's your cake? You're done na. You didn't finish your food. Carbs.
You had me under your roof. You fed me. You drove for me.
No, girl, it's like a Filipino thing, hospitality thing.
I'm Filipino too, bitch.
Okay na ako isipin yan. This is trendsetter sa sorry.
Thank you so much.
Tawad pala, I wanna see her. Ikaw-comment ka, like, kahit visit,
I love you. You're the best.
please make her sold out.
Nag-IG lang po, bakit?
Nag-tennis lesson para
Kuya, wag mo kaming i-judge.
mag-picture.
Gusto naming mag-tennis.
Hindi, gusto ko talaga matuto. Seryosohin natin to.
Kahit sa ano pa siya, dito pa siya sa malayo.
Okay. Tennis! Tennis morning with Yvette!
culture shock si kuya sa atin. What the fuck?
Sabihin.
What the fuck? Bakit mga
Bakit
ba to?
ano to? Mga naka-outfit to.
Parang siguro makikita niya tayo, parang yung reaction ng tatay ko. Ano sabi ko, saan ka pupunta? Parang gano'n siya sa akin.
Mga to, pumorma lang. Wala namang sinabi. Ganun.
Tapos mamaya hindi makahit ng ball.
Oh, hindi. Siseryosohin ko to. Gusto ko matuto.
Ano na kaya tayo tuturuan? Like, ganito.
Okay.
Ano mo, okay din branch sa cafe. Nag-try ka na ba?
Saan?
Sa Beam, nag-try ka na doon.
Oo, di ba?
Nag-try ka na ba doon? Mag?
Wala. Ayoko kasi i-spray ng sa sasakyan. I mean, ng pabango sa loob ng sasakyan.
Okay. Anong Joe Malone mo? English?
No, ayoko nun. I mean,
Ay, totoo?
meron ako nun, pero nililayer ko siya with this para iba yung amoy. Kasi medyo common yun eh.
Okay.
Wild Bluebell, amoy mo.
Oo, naamoy ko na to sa sa mismong store. Dahil niya bibili ko na ito eh.
Pero, tas maganda siya i-layer sa English parent version. Pero di ko dinala kasi, hello, ang
Pero
bigat
alam
na.
mo, sa lahat ng perfume ko, yun ang na-compliment sa akin ni Joe Malone.
Talaga.
Oo.
Ito din yung parang perfume na hindi siya clean, pero hindi siya yung clean ingredients through and through, I think. Pero hindi sumasakit yung ilong ko. So, baka clean siya.
Hindi kasi ganun kalala yung amoy niya. Yung iba kasi intense.
Okay, okay ba?
No, sis. With the Miu Miu envy.
Ito yung sapatos ko, guys. Yung Miu Miu ko. Wala akong nadala eh. Dapat dadalhin ko yung isa ko pang sapatos ko. So sabi ko, wala nang bigat na ng maleta ko. So ipupush ko na lang to.
Thank you.